Hello and welcome to another short laser video. Today we will cut out the parts for this scene. It will be a Christmas present. My kids will paint and assemble it for the grandparents, and I'll show you how to do this one on a Snapmaker with Luban. So first of all, this is quite big, bigger than the working area I have for my on my A250. So what I'm going to do is I take the download for the 6mm. So here we have the parts, and when we open it up in Gimp to get the exact size, just import it, and then when we go to picture and scale the picture and millimeters, you see it's approximately 60 centimeters to 50 centimeters. That's much more than I have workspace on my A250. So what I'm going to do is scale that down to 1/3 in Luban, so 20 centimeters. And I bought 2mm thick wood plates and use the 6mm download files, so that 1/3 of the 6mm exact 2mm of the wood. Otherwise, these little parts that go inside the floor will not fit, or you have to sand it. So now at Luban we say 3 axis. That's the work area of my Snapmaker, so you see it doesn't fit the large size of the file. We just drop in here the DXF file, set the largest size to 200mm, which is the size of the wood we will use. Click next, create a toolpath, basswood cutting on the path, save it, generate the code, export to workspace. You could save it to file and use USB 2, but I prefer Wi-Fi. So here's the machine. We connect it. I prefer sending to device and start locally because I like adjusting of height, etc. Much more on the machine than here on Luban. So afterwards we disconnect. I don't start on Luban, I don't use the camera feature. And now we go to the machine. So now we are here at the Snapmaker machine. We sent the file via Wi-Fi before, so we go to files. The latest one we see here is the preview. We say ready, and I like the manual mode better. So now hit start. So now we're gonna adjust the laser as we see here. Just first steps, I do big ones. And I try to get the middle when I do this. So now we switch to millimeters. And now to 0.1 millimeters. Still moves. Okay, now we see that's stuck, and I can pull it out. So now we go back here, hit next, and now I center the laser point above my mark on the MDF plate. And it depends how much of a clearance on the space on the edges you calculate it in, how precise you must do this. Let's have a look how it turns out. Looks good. Looks like it's completely cut through. Yes, it is. Perfect.